Lockport, they realized it was going to be an issue. It's a 60-foot elevation change. Meaning now they wouldn't be able to just put in one or two lots, they'd have to put in a flight of 5. And not just one flight of 5, they'll put in 2 of them. One set right here, one set just over underneath the blue box. Now, each flight of 5 has its own lane of traffic. So one would be designated for eastbound. Wow. One would be designated for westbound. This would be like this all the way up into the new locks, but this would cause issues here, as only one boat could go through at a time. So your wait time could be anywhere between 3 hours all the way to 3 weeks here in Lockport. And that was due to the massive traffic jams that would form. Now these traffic jams would get bad enough that they said you can walk across the canal using only the tops of the boats. So that's a lot of traffic to be through here. Could you imagine getting stuck on any throughway for 3 weeks? It's not going to be fun. Now, while this was bad for the canal and the canalers, it was very good for the cities. Because now the city's making money off of these things. Because now they need food, they need hotels, they need clothing, they need anything else for their boat, and they can get it here in Lockport. Now, the city would do very well on this all the way to the early 90s. When they realize that boats are getting bigger, the locks are not. And what they're going to end up having to do is expand out the locks. So they eliminate one set of the flight of 5, and by 1918, they will have constructed the new flight of 2. Now, this flight of 2 is a lot more efficient. They can handle multiple boats at once. And they only take between 15 and 30 minutes to get to, as opposed to the 3 hours that these ones take. Now, while this was good for the canal, it was bad for the city, as now these canalers are no longer stopping here in Lockport, and now they start to lose money. And it will lead to an economic downfall here in Lockport. Now, as much as I would love to talk about the locks all day, this is a Lockport Cave. So we're going to move our direction a little bit here. We're going to go all the way back to the 1830s. In order to talk about the caves, though, we are going to move our location. Where we're going to go is we're going to follow me. We're going to make our way around the corner of this round building just to the other side. And we'll talk about how the caves came to be here in Lockport.
In the middle, nothing, so we just always hit the wall. They just got done putting those locks in, those wooden locks.
Huh?
My nephew, whose company hauls it,